Beauty tip of the day.
Try this lip hack.
I'm going to show you how 2 makeup products that you probably already own can give you the look of fuller, more voluminous lips. Search through your makeup bag to find a lip gloss and a foundation or concealer. Take your lip gloss, place a little on the back of your hand. Now take your foundation or concealer, mix the 2 together so you've created a sheeny looking concoction. Using your pinky finger, dab it into the middle of your lower lip.
Over your lipstick.
By focusing just in the middle of your lips, you're going to give yourself that fuller lip look. Try it at home. I think you're going to really love the effect. If you don't already know me, my name's Katie and I'm a professional makeup artist. Follow me for more tips like this.